Have you ever had a bank freeze your payments and aggressively question you for more information? Maybe after some back and forth, you provide an invoice, you provide a contract, but they still ask for more. And at the end, they just close the file and bounce back your payments, whether it was incoming sales or outgoing expenses. You might blame the bank, you might feel they turn down your payments with absolutely no sense, and you feel helpless because you just have to accept it most of the time. I know that pain. I'm Raymond, a licensed CPA based in Hong Kong. My team and I have helped thousands of these exact compliance cases for clients using fintechs and traditional banks. No matter if you are having this issue right now or you want to prevent this from ever happening, watch till the end. You will learn 3 common red flags that triggers these freezes, so you know why it happens to you and you know how to avoid it. And of course, the exact solutions to unlock your transactions fast. Let's dive in. First, you need to understand why this happened. You didn't trigger a human, you triggered an algorithm. Here are the top 3 red flags. Number 1, the inconsistent story. When you open your account, you told the banks you do e-commerce, but suddenly you receive 100,000 wired for consulting business. The story doesn't match and it triggers a question from the bank. Is he hiding a side business? Is he laundering money for someone else? The fix is easy. If your business model provokes, say you switch from this drop shipping to quotient, you must update your business nature in the bank system before the new money arrives. Second, the third-party payers. This is very common. You invoice ABC Company Limited, but the money arrives from John's personal account. The names don't match. To the bank, receiving the money from a third party is a massive risk. You must educate your clients. Please pay only from your business bank accounts. If they try to pay personally, reject it, or it will cause you weeks of delay. Third, the bank reference. This is also the tiny mistakes many people make. Do not let your clients put random notes in your payment reference field. For example, if they write consulting when your business is selling suits, you get threat. The rule, the payment reference should only be invoice number. It is boring, but boring is good. Boring gets you approved. Now, let's say your transactions are flat. How do you unfreeze your money? Most people just upload the invoice, and this is the mistakes. Here's the reality. In 2026, an invoice is just a piece of paper. Anyone can type up an PDF in 5 minutes. The banks didn't doubt the invoice exists. They doubt if the business relationship was real. They need proofs that you actually know this person and actually did the work. To prove this, you need what I call the golden triangle of proofs. You should combine these 3 documents into one single PDF and upload it. Number 1, the signed contract. This is also the foundation. Don't just rely on the verbal agreements. Even for small digital services, have a signed service agreement. It must state clearly what are you doing, like the scope of work and how you are paid. Second, the invoice. It is also the trigger. Make sure the invoice clearly references the contract number. Link 2 documents together so the banks will see the connections. Third, the proof of delivery. It is also the secret weapon. It is the most important part that people forget. If you sell goods, upload the shipping tracking numbers showing the items was delivered. If you sell services, upload the entire email thread where you sent the final report or the screenshot of your WhatsApp conversation with clients, where your clients say, "Great work, sending the payment now." Yes, the bank actually asks for check logs now. This proves the human relationship behind the transactions. When you reply to the bank, write a short cover letter. Dear compliance team, attached is the contract, the invoice, and the check log proving I delivered the work. When you do this, you are doing the compliance officer's job for them. They will love you for it and they will release the fund. I agree, getting threat is annoying, but it is also the sign that the system is working. Bank use AI to spot the red flag, but they use human to review your reply. If you submit the golden triangle of proof that I mentioned, the human officer will usually click approve. But sometimes, even when you do everything right, the system gets stuck. Then the final tips, You need a wide network. Banks and fintechs prefer to work with the clients who are referred by the trusted partner. When my clients face a sticky compliance issue, we don't just tell them to upload the PDF. Because of our reputations as a CPA firm, we can often reach out directly to our contact at the bank to explain the situations human to human. The human touch is often the fastest way to solve the robust mistakes. If you want to set up a home company with a team that handle not just for tax, but also has your back with the banks when problems arise, my team is here to help. Book me a consultation call right now. Have a good one.